So I have a bag full of stuff to review today. There's not much stuff in this bag, but whatever. The first thing we have is this. It is a Cars 1 car, Paul Angus. So, yeah. Okay. Why are Mattel's Cars boxes like always freaking so hard to open? They always rip. Just got it out like that. Okay. Here's that. Rolls on the floor pretty nicely. It can tilt. It can tilt side. I like it. Number 79. It says Rhett Reed on the front. It says Rhett Reed on the back. A bunch of sponsors on the side of the car, right there. But yeah, that's the first one. Whoa. Alright, next one. It's another Cars car. Cruz Ramirez in the 95 Rusty's paint job from Cars 3. On the back it says you can collect a blue tractor, Cars 3 Lightning McQueen, Smokey, this random next gen racer, Jackson Storm, which I already have, and this random old looking NASCAR. So, yeah. Okay. Oh my god, that scared me so bad. I thought my guinea pig's cage fell. I was like, ooh. They're okay though. How do you... Okay, there we go. Here she is. As you can see, she has McQueen's tires. She rolls pretty nice. Once again, she can tilt also. She also rolls on the floor pretty nicely. Kind of like it. Okay. The rest are not cars. Get all the packaging out of the way. This next one is a hold on guys. Okay y'all, I'm back. So now we have a Metal Machines car. So yeah, let's go ahead and get that out. Alright, much easier to open. Here it is. Pretty nice one. Feels on the floor pretty nice. Could it tilt? A teeny bit. So, yeah, that's that. Next we have this Hot Wheels skateboard. So it's kind of like if Hot Wheels made Tech Decks, which I saw at Walmart today while I didn't get this at Walmart today. I got it like a couple days ago, but I was just late to the review on it. It looks like you can, these shoes that you put on your fingers. That's cool. I like that. Okay. And now for the last thing, I got this random Nintendo card. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.